Hello and welcome. I give you a presentation now about how to shrink fibroids. Can natural remedies help? 99.2 million reported cases of fibroids in women aged 15 years and above worldwide. I think this is a pretty number to take into consideration, right? Hello, my name is Tanja Hohenester. I'm from Germany. And a few years ago, my gynecologist, she had diagnosed me with a rapidly growing myoma. And instead of surgically removing it and starting hormone treatment, I decided to more on a natural route. I came across green tea, which is a highly valued in Asia. And in a study in women, it had a positive effect on the growth of myoma. And after my illness and the discovery of the great treasure of green tea can represent for us, I knew that I had found basically my soul mission, my life project. This is Tigobit green tea capsule. Many women are desperately looking for a naturopathic option to prevent fibroids. The successful self-experiment was the spark that gave me the idea for my business. The green tea extract we used in our product, in our green tea, Tigobit green tea extract capsule, come from a controlled organic cultivation, and it's free from pesticides or heavy metals. And as you can see, I'm frequently traveling to China because I want to check the direct organic green tea garden, because the quality of my product is very important for me. And before going into any new production, the extract of the green tea will be tested of heavy metal and pesticides. And this is with German laboratories. In addition, this product is free from any fillers or any flow materials. Tea was medicine first, and it became a drink later. And green tea is much more than a drink, and over the centuries has become an indispensable part of the traditions developed in Asian countries, and not only in terms of gastronomy, but also in the means of preventing any and treating disease. So far, more than 300 different substances has been found in green tea. And in addition to vitamins, minerals, proteins, the green tea plant also contains herbal compounds that protect it against viruses, for example, and harmful UV rays and bacteria. And the most important herbal protective substances in green tea are the catechins, which belongs to the group of the plant of the polyphenols. And catechins give the tea its bitter taste. And the power of ECGC in green tea. So ECGC means the epigallocatechin 3-galate. And the most interesting catechins are the epigallocatechin 3-galate. It's a very, very difficult word to pronunciation, especially in English. So, which is found in particular high concentration in the leaves of the green tea plant. ECGC is coming more and more into the focus of science, and it is a very well tolerated substance for humans. ECGC may support oxidative stress and inflammation. It may support and protect the brain. Supports health, metabolism, and weight loss, and may support women's health like fibroids, endometriosis, and of course wish for a child. It may lower the risk of some cancers, may support heart health, it may support antiviral and antibacterial infections. And is pretty impressive for a natural compound. Don't you think so? But also the questions, what we asked ourselves in Germany was, does ECGC improve the quality of life of women with fibroids? The development of myomas of fibroids, where the most scientific work has been done, ECGC is certainly interesting as a simple, preventive, and also a component. Does ECGC improve the quality of life of women in fibroids? And we did a clinical user observation with our product at the university in Berlin, the Charité. It was in January 21. 2 years ago, the Berlin Women's Hospital launched a study to investigate the effects of green tea extract on the quality of life of women suffering from fibroids. We had 30 women took the green tea capsules Tigovit 3 times, 6 months, and were examined by physicians after every 3 months. And the results, the growth of the fibroids, some fibroids of the women's had become smaller. Others have remained stable. And a few very small have become larger. If in any case, there was no negative side effects or any negative effects, and no side effects, and because it's a natural substances. And most important, the quality of life. Most women have found a better quality of life, mobility, and physical awareness. And Professor Chalit Sihuli, he's the head of the Women Clinic Charité. The response was great, and we're excited to have more than one other option for fibroids treatment now. Personally, I consider this study with green tea extract a success. And so now I have a lot of more confidence, especially as a doctor, to talk to patients about green tea extract in context of health and prevention. But green tea drinking is not enough, unfortunately. It's sometimes so easy to think about, but 1 capsule of Tigovit contains, for example, 170 milligrams of ECGC. And this is about 4 cups of green tea. And usually the recommended dosage of the 3 capsules contains 480 milligrams, which is about daily 12 cups of green tea. But drinking green tea, like I told you already, it's not enough, because ECGC is the polyphenol and the catechin in green tea, and it has a very low bioavailability. So drinking green tea is not enough because there is too little intake of ECGC, and ECGC is metabolized very quickly in the body, and it's not sufficient for our Western tea drinking habits, because since we are more a coffee nation than a tea drinking nation, for example. And as you can see on my presentation, because usually if you're drinking green tea, a freshly brewed green tea, it has like 300 milligrams of ECGC. But when you drink green tea, you need to pass the stomach, it needs to pass the gut, the liver, and the blood. And until it comes to the blood serum, it's very little of ECGC in the bloodstream over. That's why you have to take it in a higher concentration. So it's better to take it as an extract and as in capsules. Drinking green tea is not enough for Western culture habits, because in Asia, for example, Asia people drink more than 1 to 2 liters, very high quality of green tea. And green tea, like I said, it's usually better to take it as a capsule, like an extract we have it. Because, however, sometimes we are busy. due to circumstances. They are at least able to drink 2 liters green tea every day. We are traveling, we're at work, we're doing sports, we're doing shopping, and we are not always able to brew our fresh green tea. And we simply cannot constantly make the high quality of green tea. And I researched the topic of green tea for many, many years now. And I came with an all-around successful concept, and I have put it all together in the simplest form, which is Tigovit Green Tea Complex. To improve the bioavailability, we from Tigovit use bioperine. This means pepper extract, and this is in a high proportion of herbal substances. And I use vitamin C to stabilize and evaluate the components of the green tea. And this makes Tigovit absolutely extraordinary and unique. Like as I told you before, 1 capsule of Tigovit contains 4 cups of fresh green tea. What I also have done, 2016, I developed my company specialized on green tea capsules with Tigovit, and I am now in Europe. I am in Germany, I'm in Austria, in Switzerland, where a lot of gynecologists are using our products and recommend it to their patients. And I have 2018, I made a partnership with a green tea garden in China, where I regularly usually fly there and take the best extracts for our green tea capsules. In 2018-19, we had the clinical observation study at the university at Charité. In 2019, I developed a new product, which is Tigosol, which is a vitamin D product with a probioticum. And of course, Tigovit goes around the world because we are happy to help women and make women a better life and to improve the quality of women's. And we established our partnership, for example, in the Middle East. We established our partnership in Europe, in Portugal, and also, of course, in the US market. But the last one in last year, I developed a new skincare product also with green tea, because also we women want to be looking nice. So that's why green tea also is super and very helpful for our skin. And who wants to, let's stay in touch, and who wants to get in touch with me, here is my details, my Instagram account. You can connect with me. Here you will find my telephone number. I'm always available on WhatsApp. So if you have any questions in regards of our Tigovit, or if you need any nutrition information, please let me know. So thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have this presentation, and I'm happy when I will be staying in touch with you. Thank you so much.